What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm here to bring another full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance. And since I'm on a roll with uploading the recently posted video of the cleaning performance on the Hoover Dirt Finder Power Drive, the one that had the better condition brush roll, I thought I would follow it up with this. My Hoover Power Drive Supreme. This is my green one that I bought from a pawn shop in quite worse condition than how you see it right now. Now, this is pretty much going to be the same setup as I had the other two, the red one and the Dirt Finder one. This has its original style brush roll. I actually got this used from another cleaner. It's in decent condition. The bristles are a little bit on the worn side, but they do somehow stick out pretty good length. Maybe one day I'll run the Dirt Finder Power Drive's brush roll to see if it makes a difference. But this is how this brush roll looks on this cleaner for right now. But one big difference that this has over the red and the red power drive and the Dirt Finder power drive, if some of you probably remember the video I made on this, the full review video that is, of course I will link the video to that vacuum in the description, or that video, I should say, in the description box. I did a fan impeller upgrade to this. I put the 20 blade fan impeller in this, and mostly to prove that a traditional Elite fan will fit these power drives, which the whole motor itself is the same as an Elite. It's just has some subtle differences to fit this platform. But irregardless, this has the 20 blade fan impeller upgrade, so that's going to be quite an interesting way in how this differs as far as cleaning performance goes, because the fan, not only does it produce less noise, it also increases suction and airflow by quite a bit. So I am running a fresh generic HEPA cloth type Y bag, and other than that, let's go ahead and get to full house cleaning with this. And so let's go ahead and get started. so smooth and very quiet. It's probably the quietest sounding Elite sounding upright I've ever seen or heard. The reason why it's this abnormally quiet is, besides having the 20 blade fan, the actual motor itself is actually surrounded by another housing that pretty much acts as sound insulation, but it's actually more so to modify the body so it fits on a Concept 1-2 chassis, just so it can retain the self-propelled drive. But quick analyze the carpet lines, it leaves some pretty good lines for having a brush roll that's a little bit on the worn side, but the bristles on this are a little bit somewhat better than the red power drive, excuse me, but the bristles are a little bit longer. That's one thing I will give this brush roll credit for, is that they are a little bit longer than the red power drive's brush roll. Its bristles are a little bit shorter than this. So this, for the most part, grooms very well. And coupled with the 20 blade fan, it definitely has a lot of airflow. But we'll see how this adds up at the end after we're done cleaning. But so let's continue on. And just like that, the full house cleaning is all complete. And I'm just going to say this is just a fantastic cleaner the way this is set up. The fan upgrade was definitely well worthy. It drives so much airflow. The machine is a lot more quiet, and I could pretty much use this all day, even with the self-propelled being so snappy as it is. So for right now, let's go ahead and see what this guy picked up. A lot of fibrous material from the downstairs rug right off the bat. Definitely a lot of pet hair thrown in. Quite a bit of fine dust. It looks to be almost a little bit more than the red power drive or the Dirt Finder power drive that has the best condition brush roll of them all. Which, by the way, you guys vote in the comments when you want me to feature this vacuum in another video with the Dirt Finder power drive's brush roll to see how it differs in cleaning performance. But one thing I'm definitely interested in trying out on this thing with its fan upgrade is a Quadraflex brush roll. If anyone remembers this, the Quadraflex brush roll from a Hoover Concept 1 and Concept 2, since this has the same lower base as those cleaners, it will drop in place on these power drives, as long as you use the matching sole plate, the one with the single bar and your 2 brush strips on either side. I'm really interested to see how that will work in this cleaner, but one of these days you'll just have to wait and find that out. So, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning of the Hoover Power Drive with the fan upgrade. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.